you're stuck talking to people who never buy, your problem is qualification, not closing. BANT is a simple 4-step framework that tells you who to chase and who to drop. Have you ever had a perfect call that went nowhere because the prospect wasn't ready? This is where the BANT framework can help you. In this short video, we will look at what the BANT framework is and give you sample questions to ask at each stage. BANT is a lead qualification framework used in sales to decide if a prospect is worth pursuing. The letters stand for budget, authority, need, timeline. 4 checks to see if someone is realistically likely to buy. It protects time and focuses you on high probability deals, especially in B2B sales or high ticket sales. B stands for budget. Can they afford a solution like yours? You're not just asking what is your budget, you're trying to see if there is money and a willingness to spend. An example question under budget could be, how have you budgeted for this type of project in the past? Or, roughly what stage were you expecting to invest to solve this issue? A stands for authority. Are you talking to the decision maker or an influencer? You need to understand who signs off and who's involved in the buying process. Example questions under authority could be, who else will be involved in the final decision? What does your approval process usually look like for something like this? N stands for need. Do they actually have a problem you can solve? This is about pain and impact. If there's no real need, there's no real deal. An example question at this stage could be, what's the biggest challenge you're trying to fix right now? What happens if this doesn't get solved in the next 6 to 12 months? T is for timeline. When do they want to move forward with this? You're checking urgency and a realistic timing. A maybe next year is very different from we need this live in the next 90 days. So some good questions would be, when would you ideally like to have a solution in place? Or, are there any key dates or events driving this project? Do you use BANT? Which part of it do you find the hardest? Budget, authority, need, or timeline? We have more information on BANT and other sales methodologies on our website. Why not visit salestrainingint.com? Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, and follow our channel as we update new videos every week.